Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you one of my favorite apps of all time and a technique called the Pomodoro Technique to keep you focused. So the way this works is you set a timer for 25 minutes, you pick a task to work on, and you focus solely on that task for 25 minutes. When the 25 minutes is up, you take a 5-minute break and then you start a new Pomodoro. And every 4 Pomodoros that you complete, you take a little bit of a longer break. And this app helps you in a cool visual way keep track of all of that. So let's start from scratch here. So go to your App Store or Google Play here and look for an app called Flora. Flora, Flora. So if you look for that app, you should see this kind of icon for it. And I'll tell you a little bit more about it when we jump into it. And there's a lot of other Pomodoro apps, but this is the one that I found to be one of my favorite ones here. So this is the one I'm getting, the focused habit right here. Go ahead and open or download it. And if you go on there for the very first time, you'll have to use your Facebook to log in because it can be turned into a social network as well, where you could compete and challenge friends, for example. So once you log in, as you could see here, I could invite friends from Facebook to join me. I haven't done that, and I don't have a reason to do that, but that is a cool way. Keep your friends challenged and do this with you. So let me show you how simple this app is. So once you log in with your Facebook here, you simply go over here to the 3 lines to take you to this page. And here you want to go to your room. So this is typically what the app looks like, and it's this simple. You set a duration, so 25 minutes is what I want to do. I'm following the Pomodoro technique here. The price is something that you could set to really challenge yourself. So if you fail to do this, you actually owe if you set a price. So you could press the question mark and read all about that here. So the way it works is when you set a 25-minute duration, it starts growing a tree for you. Once you complete 25 minutes, the tree is complete. If you touch your phone in that time, if you answer text messages, it will kill your tree. So let me go to my garden here. So when I first started using this, as you could see, these trees were killed because I actually picked up my phone and lost track of my focus here. But then I started really focusing for those 25-minute increments. So let me go back to the room. So set your duration, 25 minutes. Set the price, 0 in this case. And what you could do here is tap here, and it has a really cool grand tour that I found really engaging. So if you could see, as you go through, you will have different trees to plant. So you could, when you start, have the oak tree, and it will start planting the oak tree. But as you keep going, you could plant roses. And if you click that, you could go through different continents. So right now, I've moved all the way through Europe here from the United States, so I'm doing Apple next. So then when I press start, right now I'll press start, it starts counting down the time. The cool thing is here on top, you could use a tag and you could tag things based on what you're working on. So here I'm working on Howfinity, making a video. So right now that's a tag. So later I can manage those tags and look at those tags and see where I did this Pomodoro on. There's the lock option right there where you can use this code to share this with other users to plant a tree together. And the whole idea of this app is every so often, once you plant enough trees and do enough time focused on the app, you could actually plant a tree in real life. So that is a way that the app contributes to the environment. On the bottom here, you could give up, that will kill a tree, or you could take a break, which subtracts the time that you focused away from your time left. I'm gonna go ahead and resume. And I'm just gonna press give up now. This was gonna kill the tree, but let me see my garden here. So if you see in the garden, all these different variations of trees. So as I kept going through the app, every 25 minutes, I picked a different tree. I plant a different tree, sometimes the same tree. And every 7 days or so, this does reset, but you could see 0 real trees. So after you go through this for a while, you could set a real tree here. It will give you a pop-up to notify you if that's what you want to do. So if you go to the settings and you go to the FAQ, you could learn more about the tree planting if that's something that interests you. And again, you could join via passcode and type in someone's passcode to do this together with you. Or you could simply go to your page here and then press the friends icon and invite a friend. Just press +, and it will take you to facebook.com because that's what you use to sign into this app. And you could see all those things here. I'm under my story, but you could go to feed and see what your friends have been up to here too once you make this a social network. So between all those options, this is a really cool visual app, and this is how I like to work. I love to have progress like this. that shows me a visual representation of my week. So having this full forest of different trees and plants and fruits, I feel like I really accomplished something. So far this week I've put in 10 hours of focus time. Those are that 25-minute increments. And if you press on your profile icon, it's going to give you different badges as you keep going. So by the time you get to the green thumb, you're going to get to 600 plus hours and you're going to get that badge. So leave a comment below as you start using this and you start getting badges. I like to see how you're enjoying using this app and if it's actually working to keep you focused. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I post daily tech and social media videos every single day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.